Welcome back to our special announcement of the bathestimates.com inaugural Top 100 Bath Remodelers list. We're diving deeper into the elite top 20 and the methodology that defined this ranking. Our formula is built on verifiable public proof. From review density to installer clarity, every point in our 100-point scale represents a commitment to transparency. Dominating the top of the list is West Shore Home, Charlotte, scoring an elite 92.3. Their employee install model and massive review volume set the standard. Tied at the top is West Shore Home, Greenville, proving their operating model produces consistent, high-quality results across multiple branches. Bathfitters swept ranks 3 through 5 with Orlando, Charlotte, and Raleigh. Their vertical manufacturing to installation chain remains a formidable industry leader. Ranked 6th is Rebath Charlotte. As the highest-ranked full bath platform, they combined extensive design breadth with a clean local showroom presence. Long Home takes the 7th spot. With a legacy dating back to 1945, they've successfully leveraged regional trust into a powerful bath division. Bath Experts earned rank 8 with their focused specialist positioning and in-house installers. They are a textbook example of a company poised for major growth. Ranks 9 through 13 were held by a second wave of West Shore Home branches, showcasing the power of a repeatable enterprise operating model. Industry titans Kohler and American Standard secured ranks 14 and 15, leading with their manufacturer-backed credibility and lifetime warranties. DeBella took rank 16. Their undeniable enterprise scale across 27 states makes them a significant player with a massive market footprint. Capital Construction and Premier Home Pros took ranks 17 and 18. Premier is our standout disruptor with an incredible growth trajectory. Rounding out the top 20 are Rebath's Dallas and Green Bay branches, which excelled in local clarity and full-service design-to-done remodeling. But the top 20 is just the beginning. The full top 100 list represents a comprehensive market map, identifying credible operators across the entire country. Looking ahead, we're keeping a close watch on companies like Premier Home Pros and Bath Experts, who are poised for even higher placements in 2027. Remember, this ranking is your shortlist generator. Use it to identify operators who match your specific project needs and geographic location. Congratulations to all the remodelers who made the inaugural Top 100. Visit bathestimates.com to download the full paper and see where your local branches landed. bathestimates.com, empowering your next bathroom transformation with data-driven trust. We'll see you in the rankings.